Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools, learning for journey. I hope you have completed the day 26th agenda. That is about introduction to AWS cloud services. So if you didn't complete it, yes, complete that section as well as. So that was the very important concept to understand that the why do we need to learn AWS, and not only that, how the AWS has come up with that their infrastructure globally, about regions point of view, availability zones point of view, and as well as what are the different services they have come up with that, the main core services. Yes, all those points, all these points that was discussed in that agenda. So go ahead and review that. So are you excited to start the next agenda? Yeah, but before starting about this, yes, if you're following the learning path journey, and as well as if you think this is very helpful to about your friends and colleagues, then please like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand the day 27th agenda, that is about AWS IAM service. Yeah, as we are following about that, so this workflow. So we are in the AWS cloud journey, day 27th, and important points. But before understanding that important points, so if you have this interest in this course, and if you'd like to enroll it, just ping that 100 or 100 days. So to this WhatsApp number 9390604502, then you will get that all the guidances or all the instructions to enroll to the course, or to get the more details, or if you have any queries, questions, you can contact us. Yeah, now let's come back to that. Today's agenda, some important points. So what are the important points that we are going to, you are going to understand in this today's agenda is about AWS IAM service. And this is very, very, very important service as the security concerns point of view. Yes, if you would like to give the permissions for all the users can access that account, which services they can access it, and which level of that, the permissions that they are needed. So for the development teams, testing teams. So all that control, access control, so that can be managed through this service, that is IAM, Identity and Access Management. So in this agenda, you are going to understand all these points about users, groups, and how do we configure the multi-factor authentications, and what is the relation between the roles and policies. Yes, what is the difference between the roles and policies? That understanding is very, very important. So how do we implement the policies, custom policies? And in which context do we use the roles? About the users, groups, roles, policies, and security credentials management and multi-factor authentication management. All these concepts you are going to get it in today's agenda. But if you'd like to access this, the video, then this is the forum link. So if you click on this, then which will be redirected to this, the forum link, that is day 27 AWS IAM service. So here we have this one video and the lab guide. So in the video, you just click on this, then it will be redirected to this video, which you have this around 1.5 hours, the session. So the very, very interesting and important as well as. Yeah, so in this today's agenda, so spare the time to understand the AWS IAM service. And the lab guide also has been given that. Try to complete the lab guide and get explore on it. Yeah, it has been clearly explained users, groups, and the policies in the lab guide, which you can practice on it, that the step-by-step lab guide. Yeah, that's today's agenda. So complete it and enjoy this today's session. And we'll come back to this in the next section, that is day 28. Yeah, that's all from this session. Thank you.